Good morning, my dear students. As I told in the last activity, I will be back with another art and craft activity, fun with paper. So here I am with beautiful paper puppet. So myself Saloni, your art teacher from CIS Disua, welcome you in art and craft activity. So today we are going to make this puppet and going to do it lot of fun while making this. Hello my dear friends. My dear students, as you know, we are going to make a hand puppet, fun with paper. So our first step, we need one paper. You can take any other colors also. If you don't have colored papers, you can take your white paper also. Now second step, you have to fold your paper more than half this way and press it properly. You can see. Now this side also fold it inside this way. Now you can see one we have a flap here. So we are going to apply a Fevicol on this area. One line of Fevicol this way and make it close. Press it properly. It's done already. Press it properly. Now you can see this side is open and this side also open. Now what to do next step? Hold the corners from the both sides and make it half fold like this way. This way. Press it properly. When you open it, now we have one center line. Next step, hold this corner and bring it to the center of your line. I'm going to repeat my step again. Hold this and fold it till the center. Same way, this side also fold it till the center. Now open it and fold your paper again into the half part, and this line you have to fold upside. I'm going to repeat again my step. Fold it half, this flap fold it upside, and same for the second side. This way. Now if you are able to see, we have two pockets, one pocket, and this is the second pocket. Now place your fingers and your thumb inside. You can see our puppet basic body is ready. Now time to give any design. You can give any design of your choice also, as you can do it for the cat, a dog, or any other animal or bird. That is your choice only. I am going to show you one very creative puppet with the help of colored papers. So my dear students, keep this one side. Now time to decorate our puppet with the help of papers, Fevicol and scissors. Now second step, I am going to take a same paper, blue color paper, and going to fold it half this way. Now with the help of scissors, I am just going to draw one triangle shape. This will be beak for my puppet. You can see. Now time to cut with the help of scissors. When you will open it, it will look like this. So if you want to make with the same color, you can make it with the same also. If you want to make with different color, you can make with different color also, according to your choice. My puppet will be very colorful, so I am going to use maximum colors to decorate my puppet. So same beak you have to draw it on another sheet. Colors you can choose according to your choice only. Tracing is already done. Now time for cutting. Use small scissors for the cutting under the guidance and follow all the safety rules. Keep this paper one side. We can reuse this paper in other activity. Now next step, if you are able to see, we have pockets. This is the back side of our puppet and this is open side are the front side. Now this will be the top and this will be the bottom. Take your beak of the puppet and paste it this way. Apply a Fevicol and paste it like this. Next step. Now if you able to see, I will show you how it will look like. First, now downside also same way, apply a Fevicol and paste another side of the bead parallel to first one, but don't make it close from the front of the beak. Just apply a Fevicol on the paper only. Just see, it's still open. Let it fix properly. Open the pockets and now see. First I complete inside part of my puppet. So I am going to use a red color to make a tongue of puppet. Going to fold my paper this way and this much you can cut or you can now I have one red paper. So this is the inside part of, you can say, mouth also as well as. So what to do? Going to paste it, and this is the extra one. You can fold it half and extras you can cut. Now take a Fevicol and apply it. Use very less Fevicol. You can use your Fevistick also if you don't have the Fevicol. Place it properly and press it. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to close it. Again, I'm going to open my pockets of puppet. Now you can see. Is it? Yes. Now it's looking nice. Now designing of this area. So my puppet will be very colorful puppet. I'm going to use multicolor. First I'm going to make a eyes for my puppet. I will be going to use my green color. So keep this one side. I have one green color sheet. With the help of pencil, I am going to draw the shape of eyes, big eyes. So I am going to draw one oval shape this way. Now I want to, you already know how we can get two at a one time only? Yes, we can fold our paper into two parts and we can cut the shape. After cutting the shape, the result will be into two same size, same shape. You can see now I have two. So I am going to fold it little bit upward to make my eye stand. Same way for the second also. Fold it upside. Keep them one side. Now take one piece of your white sheet. I am going to use my waste only because a little bit only required. So keep all the waste also safely for any other activities you can reuse. Now fold it half because we need two circles. I am going to use my sellotape roll. Outer part of my sellotape. Now time to cut. After cutting, take another waste paper because we required outlining for these. So our working area, you know, should be neat and clean always. So keep them on a waste paper. Now I am going to do outlining with the help of marker. I am going to show you how we can make a eyeballs and fill the rest part. Same for second one. So both are ready. Now time to paste them on the eyes. Take your Fevicol and paste them. This way. And for second eye also. This way. Now paste them on the upper part of your puppet. This is upper side and this is down side. Apply a Fevicol. Two lines this way. I fold my paper to make them stand easily. You can see. Hold it for few seconds. And then it will fix. Same for the second eye also. Hold it for few seconds. Let it dry. This also you have to make it straight. I will show you. Open the pockets and just see. Now time to decorate the beak, and I just going to give some funny designs on the beak. So again I'm going to use some colored papers, waste one only. Like I have one yellow and green. Going to cut my paper into small piece, and same for the next color also. And if you want to add one other color also, you can add with the choice of yours. I'm going to add pink color because pink and blue combination is also very nice. So next step, I'm going to cut according to the size of the beak into a small pieces. First I'm going to cut it into two parts, or you can just make a line of 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter, your choice only. First I'm going to paste it like this with the help of Fevicol. This way. Extras you can cut afterwards. So this is the first line. Now move for the second line. Second line is also same as you can cut from the pink paper. This is my pink paper. Now second line I'm going to apply. Then I'm going to repeat my third color. Cut this, apply a Fevicol, and paste it. Now these only which is not required I will be going to use. Same way you have to cut from this side also. Apply a Fevicol. Now next will be pink. And next will be yellow. Again, first press them properly, let them fix. Now time to cut them according to the shape. this way, and now this side also. This way. Clean your table. Now designing on the beak already done. As I said, I'm going to make it very colorful, so I am going to use the multicolors. So next step, I'm going to make some feathers with the help of paper only. Here at the back side. So I'm going to draw it on a small piece with the help of pencil. Small leaves also you can do. Fold it half. And draw a shape of leaf like this. Now time to cut. Same you can draw on another pieces. Now I'm going to make it fold half and going to give small cuts. This way. With the help of Fevicol. First one be green, then overlap with the red in the center. Again apply a Fevicol, and next will be the yellow. Now I'm going to place these here. Like this with the help of Fevicol. Now see, feathers also ready. If you want to give any designing, you can give any designing also. I will show how. I'm going to use my black sketch pen or black marker, the beak in the form of pattern. I'm going to put the dots in the first one. See, if you want to change, you can change the pattern also. Any kind of easy pattern you can use. Now next one. It's your choice only. If you want, you can do it. Otherwise, you can leave it plain only. this way. And now here also I will put some dots this way in the form of flower. Now you can see hand puppet is ready. Fun with paper. It's very easy. I will show you. Open the pockets and just check it. You can make any design of your choice also. Students, today we learn how we can make a puppet, hand puppet with the papers. It's very easy to make. I know my creative students definitely try to make into the different designs. I will be back with another art and craft activity that will be a handprint drawing. Till you can enjoy the video and try to make this beautiful puppet.